In this video, I'll be showing you why you should be trading with OneFunded. Now, you guys should already know how prop firm works. It's basically to grow our capital and scale from there, especially if we don't have much personal capital. And just imagine if you have $500 in your personal capital and made 1% from it, that would be $5. But if you had a 100K funded, then that 1% in that account will generate you $1,000. So OneFunded is a UK-based prop firm that's still young in the game, but they're focused on building its brand and earning users' trust, which is why its conditions are fully transparent with no hidden rules. You can see some advantages here from using them. No time limits, up to 90% profit split. Also, the trading strategies they allow. You can copy trade, you can use trade. You don't necessarily need to put a stop loss down in a position. And if you're still a beginner once it comes to prop firms, you're going to basically pick your challenge from $2,000 capital all the way up to 100K. You're going to use the best code available right now for 15% off, 0901. You can choose amongst one phase, two phase, and 1F challenge. We'll get to that soon. Start as low as $23, guys. And whilst also having the advantage of using these three platforms, Trade Locker, C-Trader, MT5 coming out soon. Once you complete the challenge with the respective profit targets, you unlock the funded account with the real capital. You can start trading it and request a payout from there. And the fee that you initially paid for the challenge will be entirely refunded to you. Now, once it comes to challenges, they have one of the best terms in the prop firm training game. You can choose the 1F limited challenge, C-Trader, a balance as low as $2,000. And you can see that all we have to do is 7% on phase 1, 4% on phase 2, and on top of that we have 11% of drawdown. So basically one of the lowest profit targets in the industry, which is normally 8 and 5%, and here you have 7 and 4, and one of the highest drawdown limits. This account would run you about $25, but if you use the discount code, you can literally get it for as low as $21. And you only need 2 minimum trading days to pass it. Keep in mind that these 1F challenges are limited, and there's only about 300 challenges of them, because like I mentioned previously, very easy targets to obtain. As you can see, I'm also trying to get funded with them with a 2-step 10K account. But as soon as you register, you can come to the reward center, do these tasks that are absolutely for free, super easy to do. And then from doing these, you accumulate points, and those points, you can use them to claim rewards such as 30% discount, a free 5K challenge. We've got their leaderboard right here with their top performing traders, no crazy targets, 5%, 4%. If you guys try this out, you can easily be on the leaderboards and be one of the top traders. We can see that they have a lot of reviews on Trustpilot. We can also check that people are getting paid out from them. In case you need an economic calendar, they've got you covered. As you can see, it's CPI in a bit. Now make sure you explore more of their platform as they got way more going on. And if you're interested in prop trading, then definitely give OneFunded a shot. You can either choose risk 100K of your own capital or risk the company's capital. And if you don't have 100K, it's even better to go with the prop firms. So don't hesitate in going to the first link in the description, check them out, and in case you want to buy a challenge, use the code 0901 for 15% off. For the ones that are trying to become funded, I'll show you my approach to prop firm accounts, but for you, I would essentially start off small, really try to prove yourself that you can become a funded trader, whether that would be starting with a $20 accounts or the 10K one like me. But in these scenarios, I don't just go for one and just try to pass it. I buy multiple, right? And then I diversify my trades, which then lends me to take advantage of the probabilities game. So say you have 4 accounts. Your first trade, you take it on account number 1. Maybe it's a loss. The second trade you have, you take it on account number 2. Maybe it's a loss. The third trade, maybe it's a winner. Then the fourth, loss. Then perhaps another loss. Then perhaps a winner, loss, loss, loss. And you will see that perhaps you can take advantage of the probabilities game of having the wins dispersed amongst the different prop firm accounts. And one luckily might get all the wins and might be completely funded. Otherwise, if you were to compile everything here on one single account, perhaps you would just be break even or even on losing. But in these scenarios, you might be quickly funded even if you're unprofitable. So that's the approach I normally do with prop firms. And if capital is a problem with yours, you can easily go for the $20 accounts and buy as many as you want with the budget that you have and increase your chances of getting funded.